Okay, so we're back on the streets. So this is Seaview Farm Main Road, I believe. This one will take you up to Lightfoot, but the mission this afternoon is to go to Wallings Nature Reserve, or Wallins Dam, as some people wouldn't know. And we're all the way by in Seaview Farm, so we're gonna cut over to All Saints Road, and then after that we go straight down All Saints Road. We would have go Buckley's, but the road is not that good. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show y'all some of the journey, not all, because my memory is running out on the camera. Some of the journey. Do a little narration while I go there, but not all. Should be, you know, a bit scanty, so we should get there in no time. It's about what, 3:30 something, 3:38 or so now in the afternoon. So we're trying to get there to do a shoot. And not me, Jermaine is trying to get there to do a shoot at no particular time, so maybe 4 o'clock, but we're not gonna reach there for 4. But yeah, we'll do our best without speeding, because police might be watching this vlog here and come look for us. See, we're almost out. It's not a far drive. Almost out. Just getting there. So we have made it to the end of the road. That's the Kingdom Hall, no, Watchtower Society on the right. We just passed for the Jehovah's Witness. It's a pretty memorable place. Food here is in these greens. You know, it's a nice event place. You can do photo shoots in there also, but you have to pay them a certain amount of money. Not sure how much, but yeah. We are on All Saints Road now. So this is Midway gas station. If you turn on the left, you will be in Freeman Village, and the right would go down All Saints. That's Midway gas station right there. So forth. Forget this hill name, Asford Hill. I remember. Something. Alright. So I'm going to take us all the way down to All Saints Road, and then I'm going to shut off until we reach by maybe Piers. Reach in Piers. Or maybe Sweets. Not Piers, sorry, Sweets. Sweets. Piers is all the way back on the other side of the island. school, so I think you have a lot of people on the road and so forth. In the country, worst young driver in the country, you know. So we're in John Hughes now. We're heading down, almost there. Let me show y'all. Take the right turn and go to what's that village name again? That's up that side. So this is John Hughes. I think it's still John Hughes now. Yeah, I think so. It's still John Hughes. But you'll be on the other side. If you took that right turn and so on. So when you go up this road, this leap, and then you're gonna get to, it's getting closer to Fig Tree Drive. So it's a nice drive. Coming this side, you can do it just for, you know, recreation. To come this side. It's a nice relaxing drive. The potholes don't wake you up like those. Let's stay closer. To the end of John Hughes now. Taken the other side, and we would have come out this road just in front there, that one over there. Alright, so we're almost there. I think it's just around this corner here, because I think we're entering Fig Tree Drive now, I believe. potholes and the speed bump. Gallery over here. That's the sign right here. This camera outside. That's the art gallery that's over this side of the gallery of arts, right? I'm not sure.
You say the second show was supposed to do today?
Was in there?
Not in there, but around this area. I wanted like the banana leaf kind of style. And I was going to use somebody's here, but they never get back to me as yet.
This here.
Just saying I could do in there.
Right. So this is the Wallins Nature Reserve. We don't have signs because of certain reasons. That one out of it. This is the office, the Wallins Nature Reserve. All children should be accompanied by an adult. Usually you would have to pay to come here, but you don't anymore. Oh, yeah.
There's a part over here. There's like a cave
Over here.
There's like a cave over there.
What's that on the road? Okay. And that. Okay, so right here at the Wallins Dam, the Wallins Nature Reserve, and we are heading over to the other side. So first you have to go down these stairs. Whew. Oh yeah, down there. When water comes down, it's really beautiful scene. So what happens was the water will fill up the dam. When the water fills up the dam, it overflows and come down that, and then it sends it down into the bush down there and so forth. So whew, I need to really exercise. I'm already tired. So I'm over here. I don't know what's happening over here, but if you look down there, not a lot of water in there, just a little bit of water, but there's a chair here and so forth. Now it looks like I'm supposed to sit down here and enjoy the view for the afternoon. Yeah, so we're here at Wallings Reserve. I just fly the drone, got some good shots of the greenery and stuff like that. Yeah, this is basically it. I'm gonna walk around, show y'all. Pick up my phone because I want to leave my phone here by mistake. So yeah, so this is basically it. Hold on, let me wipe the lens. Okay, much better. I have 22 minutes left in this battery. Well, 19 minutes left in the battery, 22 minutes left in the memory. So hopefully I can get a good amount of vlogging between these times. So this is it. So you can come up, enjoy, have a little lunch, a picnic, lunch date with your significant other up here by the water. There are tables there and so forth. There was a swing here, but I think they taking it down. It's not here anymore. There's a wooden structure up here, but I'm not sure what it is and what it was. Well, what it was probably isn't anymore. So yeah, there's a gentleman down there with his donkey. Probably come and pick him up to take him home because the greenery is nice down there. So yeah, so yeah, this is it. And ladies and gentlemen, we're supposed to do a photo shoot here in a second, so hopefully I get some shots of the photo shoot so that you guys can see what's happening with the model and, well, not me, but Jermaine. So in a little bit I'll turn back on when everybody comes to do the photo shoot. They should be here already, but there's this thing called Antigua time that is plaguing us all the time. So if somebody say it's 5, expect them for 6. You know, I don't know, it's just a thing. People are usually late. So yeah, I'm tired again. Whew.